Welcome, adventurers, to a quest like no other, a journey into the heart of financial responsibility. This is not your typical dry, dull finance lecture. Instead, imagine we're embarking on an epic journey, a blend of Lord of the Rings meets The Wolf of Wall Street, but with more practical advice and less risk of orc attack or federal indictment. Whether you're an eager young adult stepping into the world of financial independence, a seasoned professional navigating the complexities of midlife finances, or a wise elder optimizing the golden years, this guide is your compass. We'll explore the realms of budgeting, saving, investing, and beyond, with real-life stories, engaging questions, and practical steps that will not only enlighten but entertain. So, grab your financial map, and let's set sail on this voyage of monetary mastery. And remember, I want to hear from you. Drop your thoughts, experiences, and any aha moments in the comments below. What's your biggest financial goal? What's the one money habit you wish to conquer? Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share and hit the like and notification bell. It will greatly help the channel. Let's get the conversation rolling. Imagine you're the hero of your own financial story. Like all epic tales, our journey begins with understanding the landscape and preparing for the adventure ahead. Our tale begins with self-awareness. For 1 month, become the Sherlock Holmes of your finances. Track every expense, no matter how small. This isn't about judging your $5 latte habit. It's about uncovering the mystery of where your dollars are going. You might be surprised to find out how much those impromptu takeout meals or online impulse buys are adding up. Armed with knowledge, it's time to craft your financial grimoire, a magical tome or, let's be real, a spreadsheet that outlines your income, expenses, and spells for financial growth. List your fixed expenses, the non-negotiables like rent and utilities, and variable expenses, the more flexible costs like groceries and entertainment. Allocate funds for savings, it's like planting the seeds for a future money tree. In every adventure, our hero faces unexpected challenges. In real life, these come in the form of car repairs, medical bills, or sudden job loss. An emergency fund is your armor, protecting you from life's slings and arrows. Aim to save enough to cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses. It's a daunting quest, but even small contributions can build a sturdy shield over time. With a strong foundation laid, our hero ventures deeper into the financial wilderness, facing greater challenges and seeking out hidden treasures. Saving money is akin to gathering resources for the winter. It's not about hoarding every penny but being mindful and deliberate about setting aside a portion of your wealth. Open a savings account with a good interest rate, or consider certificates of deposit for higher returns on longer-term savings. Investing can seem like a mysterious forest filled with strange creatures: stocks, bonds, mutual funds, oh my. But fear not. The goal is to make your money grow. Start with low-risk options like retirement accounts, 401k, IRAs that offer tax advantages and often employer matching. As you become more comfortable, you can explore other investments like stocks and real estate. Not all debt is evil. Mortgages and student loans can be noble steeds that help you reach your goals. However, high-interest debt, like that from credit cards, is a dragon that must be slain. Focus on paying off high-interest debts first, and consider strategies like debt consolidation for multiple debts. As our hero reaches the peak of their journey, they must protect their kingdom and learn to enjoy the fruits of their labor. Insurance may seem like a grudging tribute to pay, but it's actually a powerful shield against life's unexpected assaults. Health, auto, home, and life insurance are the pillars that keep your financial kingdom secure. Understand what you're buying and ensure it matches your needs and life stage. No matter your age, having a will and a basic estate plan ensures that your wishes are honored and your loved ones are cared for. It's a final, noble act in your financial journey. As our hero looks out over their kingdom, they realize the journey never truly ends. Financial responsibility is a lifelong quest. Continue to learn, adapt, and grow. Find joy in giving back, whether through charity, supporting loved ones, or imparting wisdom to the next generation of financial adventurers. As our guide comes to a close, remember that your financial story is uniquely yours. There will be triumphs and setbacks, but each step forward is a victory. Share your journey in the comments below. What beasts have you battled? What treasures have you discovered? Together, let's create a community of financial heroes, supporting each other towards a future of prosperity and peace. The path may be long and fraught with challenges, but the rewards of financial responsibility are truly legendary. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell.